Have you ever wondered what's beneath your feet? Really beneath. Not the ground, not the rock, but the core of our planet. A place so hot, so dense, that it could melt iron like butter. A world of eternal darkness, pressure beyond imagination, and maybe something even more mysterious. Because here's the truth, no human has ever seen it, and yet everything we are depends on it. Our planet looks calm on the surface. Blue skies, green forests, oceans and cities. But beneath this thin crust, Earth hides a violent secret, a molten heart that never stops moving. Scientists believe it's the reason we have a magnetic field, the reason life is possible. But if we've never been there, how do we know what's inside? How can we describe something no one has ever seen? The deepest hole ever drilled, the Kola super deep borehole in Russia, reached just 12 kilometers deep. That's only 0.2% of Earth's total radius. After that, the heat became unbearable. The metal drill began to melt. So the rest, we can only imagine, with science as our guide. Through the study of earthquakes, we discovered that seismic waves behave differently depending on what they pass through. And through those invisible signals, scientists mapped a world no one can visit. A layered planet, crust, mantle, outer core, and inner core. But what's really there? At the center lies the core, about 3,500 kilometers beneath us. And it's divided in two parts. The outer core is a swirling ocean of molten iron and nickel. It moves constantly, churning like a storm of liquid metal. And this motion, it creates Earth's magnetic field, a shield that protects every living thing from deadly solar radiation. Without it, our atmosphere would be stripped away. The planet would become a barren desert, like Mars. Deeper still lies the inner core, a solid sphere of iron, about the size of the moon, but as hot as the sun's surface. It's under so much pressure that it can't melt, no matter the temperature. Imagine a solid ball of glowing metal, suspended in a sea of molten iron, and it's growing. Slowly, each year, the inner core crystallizes more metal, releasing energy that fuels Earth's magnetic engine. But here's where it gets stranger. Recent studies show that the inner core might be spinning at a different speed than the rest of the planet. Some say it's slowing down, others say it reverses direction every few decades. If that's true, it could change the strength of our magnetic field and even trigger geological shifts on the surface. Could the heartbeat of our planet be alive in its own rhythm? The core doesn't just sit there. It's constantly moving, changing, pulsing. Its heat drives the movement of tectonic plates, the birth of volcanoes, the creation of continents. Every earthquake, every mountain range, every eruption, all begin in that fiery abyss below. And if one day the core stops spinning, our magnetic shield would collapse. Solar winds would strip away our atmosphere. Radiation would scorch the surface. The Earth would die. We exist simply because the heart of our planet keeps beating, unseen, unstoppable. We may never touch it, we may never see it, but deep beneath us, the core burns, a silent engine that powers everything we know. It's the reason compasses point north, the reason we breathe, the reason we exist. And maybe it's a reminder that even the darkest, most unreachable places can hold the fire that gives life to everything above. If this blew your mind, subscribe for more journeys into the hidden wonders of our world.